Good morning, dear children. Good morning, everyone. Here I am with our today's activity. Yesterday we have learned how to pronounce letter A, the sound of letter A, and we also did some exercises with letter A. And I'm very happy and glad to see that parents are also taking interest in our activities. Okay, so thank you so much to all dear parents. Here I am with two new activities. This is for tracing of letters. Tracing is the most important part for learning any letter or the formation of any letter. Okay, so the first one is the sandpaper letter. It is the traditional method that we use in our schools. This method is introduced by Dr. Maria Montessori. So दिस इज सैंड पेपर लेटर. हम इसे हिंदी में रेजमार पत्ता भी कहते हैं, जो हार्डवेयर शॉप से मिलता है. सो हमें 0 पॉइंट का रेजमार पत्ता लेकर आना है, सैंड पेपर लेटर. इफ यू कैन डू दिस एक्टिविटी इफ यू वांट टू, इफ इट इज इजीली अवेलेबल एट योर होम. अदरवाइज वी हैव सेकेंड एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो, but this is the traditional activity which is used in all schools for tracing the letters. So I have cut the sandpaper letter in the shape of letter A. Okay, but before performing this activity we have to clean our fingertips. So dip your fingertips in a bowl filled with water. Wait for 2-3 seconds. Now raise your hand up. Wait until the last drop falls. See, drops are falling like rain. So wait until the last drop fall. Then wipe your hands with a napkin. We do bathing of fingertips because it increases the sensation and the feeling of fingertips. Okay? Sandpaper letter makes a 3-fold knot in the kid's mind. 3-fold knot means in this activity, while performing this activity, they are using their 3 senses. The first one is the tactile sense. Tactile means touching sense. जब वो इसे touch करेंगे, so वो इसे feel करेंगे. The first one is tactile sense और kinesthetic sense because hands की muscles भी move हो रही है. The second is acoustic sense. Acoustic means वो सुन रहे हैं. Okay, जब वो बोलेंगे A, so they are listening the sound also. And the third sense is visual sense. Visual sense means आंखों से देखना. So here they are using 3 senses together. So it will make a 3-fold knot in the child's mind. Okay, everlasting impression छोड़ती है ये activity. So this is the traditional method for learning and tracing any letter. So let's start. Use your 2 fingers. Okay, you can help kids by holding their wrist from here. Okay, sit behind them or stand behind them. Just hold lightly their wrist and perform the activity. The kids have to take their 2 fingers. A, they have to speak after every tracing. Okay, A. So here they are using their 3 senses. A for apple. A for apple. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. A for ant. A for ant. So perform this activity with your kids. It will help to learn the formations of all letters. Now we can use this activity also. What I am having here, I take some wheat flour in a thali or in a plate. Okay, you can use other utensils also, rice, pulses or etc. You can use any pulse. You can use any grain. So again take your 2 fingers. A. Kids will enjoy performing this activity. Okay, you can use rice also, you can use pulses also, you can use green moong, yellow tuar dal. Okay, so it will increase the interest of kid. So letter A. A for apple. A for apple. A for ant. A for ant. Letter A. Letter A. So these are our two activities for today. Please perform this activity with your kids at home. Okay? Thank you so much.